Hello everybody and welcome back to another video of the Artificial Professor, and in this video we are going to be learning how to block Temu ads on Android. So simply head over to your Temu app. Now the ads that are shown on this is not Google ads, is basically from the Temu app itself. So you can see we are right now inside the home screen of Temu app. Simply head over to your profile. At the bottom mid you can see you have your profile icon, so click on that, and here you need to make sure that you have turned off all type of offers and promotions. So simply head over to settings, and you can see you have notifications. So you can simply turn off your notifications for promotions and stuff like that from here. And also the second thing what you can do is simply turn off your Wi-Fi. So if you want to simply just check out some stuff, you can simply turn off your Wi-Fi so the ads don't just pop up, and that's how you can simply block ads on Temu ads on Android. So I really hope you understood the concept and like the process. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share around with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.